Hello my friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine. Now friends, in this video we talk about the harmony one. Price changes occur in the harmony, the last 1 hour, the last 1 day, the last 1 week price changes, and what is the next target. And I'm also talking about the very urgent update of harmony one. So keep watch this video till the end friends. And if you're new to my channel, so please make sure to subscribe Abby's Tech channel for more this kind of news and update friends. Now friends, let's start the video friends. First of all, we talk about the currently at this chart price of the harmony one coin in the market. So 0.12567 USD dollar is the current price of the harmony one coin. And if we talk about the price changes occur in the harmony, so the last 1 hour, the last 1 day, and the last 1 week, the whole changes occur in the harmony as negative friends. So what is the next move of the harmony? In this video I will show you, so keep watch friends. Now friends, let's see the price chart of the harmony for more details friends. As you can see here, if you look the price chart of the harmony coin, so as you can see on the chart, over and over fast occur in the harmony. So friends, I think that if this kind of fast continues, so you are in the loss friends. What is the next move of the harmony coin? So as you can see now, they are in the falling mood. So I think that's only my suggestion, that's only my opinion, that in the next 2 hour and the future coming soon 2 hour 4 hour over and over fast occur in the harmony, and after some passage of time, after some interval, there's a lot of chances to again take a jump, because that is a common phenomenon of cryptocurrencies market, that after a falls there is a jump friends, after a falls there is a jump friends. So now the falls is also occurs, so now it is time to take a jump friends. Anyways, if we talk about the price change occur in the harmony in the last 1 day friends, so the last 1 day price change as about negative 5.31%, and the highest price of the harmony is about 0.133208 USD dollar is the highest price of harmony. And now the currently at this time live price of the harmony in the market, as you can see here, is 0.125519 USD dollar friends. Here is the price is about 0.13, and here is 0.12, so approximately 0.1% 1 USD dollar fast occur changes as in the harmony one coin friends. So now what's your prediction about harmony one coin? My prediction is that after a 2 hour, after a 3 hour, again jump occur in the harmony. What's your prediction? Please share in the comment box, and kindly don't forget to subscribe Abby's Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates friends.